Anthropic just released a tool that scared Wall Street so much it wiped out 285 billion in software stocks in a single week. It's called Claude Cowork, and most people have never even heard of it. I'm going to show you exactly what it is, what it can do, and why it's generally one of the most exciting things to happen in AI this year. And here's the part that got me. This tool was built specifically for people who are not developers. No code, no terminal, no technical knowledge required. Just you describing what you want, and Claude going off and doing it. Let me show you what I mean. I'm Mario. This is AI by Mario, where I break down AI tools in plain English so anyone can understand them. Today, we're covering something really new. Claude Cowork launched in January 2026. It's already changing how people think about what AI can actually do. Let's get into it. So, what actually is Claude Code? Let me break it down in the simplest way possible. Regular Claude, the one you use on Claude.ai, is like a really smart conversation. You ask it something, it replies, back and forth. It's great, but it stays inside the chat. Claude Cowork is completely different. With Cowork, you give Claude access to a folder on your actual computer, your files, your documents, your receipts, your notes, and then you describe a task and Claude goes off and actually does it. Not in the chat, on your computer, in your files. It makes a plan, it breaks the task into steps, it executes each step, it checks its own work, and it delivers finished results. Formatted documents, organize folders, complete reports directly back to your file system. The best way Anthropic described it, instead of a back and forth conversation, it feels like leaving messages for a coworker. You drop a task, Claude handles it. You come back to the finished work. Let me give you a real example of what people are actually doing with Cowork right now, because this is where it gets interesting. Example 1, organize a messy folder. You have a downloads folder with 500 random files dumped into one place with terrible names. You tell Cowork, sort my downloads folder, group files by type, name, simply, and delete anything that looks like a duplicate. You walk away, you come back, it's done. What would have taken you a full afternoon took Claude about 10 minutes. Example 2, build an expense report from receipts. You have 30 receipts, photos from a business trip. You tell Cowork, look through all of these receipts and build me an expense report spreadsheet with a date, vendor, amount, and category for each one. Claude reads every image and builds you a clean formatted spreadsheet. A job that would take you an hour, done in minutes. Example 3. Write a report from scattered notes. You have 15 different notes, files, transcripts, and random documents all about one project. You tell Cowork, read all of this and write me a structured 3-page report, summarizing the key points, decisions made, and the next steps. You come back, there's a polished, formatted document sitting in your folder, ready to send. Example 4, and this one is wild. Scheduled tasks. You can actually schedule tasks to run automatically. Every Monday morning, Claude checks your project folder and sends you a summary of what needs attention this week without you touching anything. Now, let's talk about access and pricing, because this is where a lot of people have questions. Claude Cowork is available on the Claude desktop app. Free download from claude.com, works on both Mac and Windows as of February 2026. But actually, use Cowork, you need a paid Claude subscription. Claude Pro is $20 per month. That's entry point. Claude Max is $100 to $200 per month for more heavy usage. Team and enterprise plans are available for businesses. Is it worth $20 a month? Think about it this way. What would you pay a virtual assistant to organize your files, write your reports, and sort through your documents every month? Most VAs charge $15 to $25 an hour. 2 hours of that is already $30 to $50. Cowork does it for $20. Here's how to set it up. It takes about 5 minutes. Step 1, download the Claude desktop app from Claude.com and install it. Step 2, sign in with your paid Claude account. Step 3, open the app and click the Cowork tab in the sidebar. Step 4, create a folder on your computer specifically for Cowork and point it at that folder. Don't give it access to your entire computer. Just one folder. Start simple. Step 5, describe your task in plain English. Just tell Claude what you want, like you would do with a real person. Step 6, review Claude Code's plans. It shows you what it's going to do before it starts. You approve it or adjust it, you're always in control. Step 7, let it run. Watch the progress or walk away. Come back to finished work. That's it. Generally, that's the whole setup. I wanted to take 30 seconds to explain why this is actually a bigger moment than most tech news coverage is telling you. Until now, AI tools have mostly been about conversation. You ask it, it answers. Useful, but you're still doing the actual work. Cowork is different because Claude is actually doing the work. Reading your real files, writing real documents, making real changes on your actual computer. That's why investors freaked out. Project management tools, document editors, file organization software, data analysis platforms, all of these could potentially be replaced by one AI agent that just does the task directly. For you watching this, I don't want to sound scary. I want it to sound like an opportunity. Every hour you spend on boring, repetitive tasks is an hour Claude Cowork can give back to you. That's the real story. Not that AI is coming for your jobs. It's that AI is coming for the boring parts of your job. So you can focus on the parts that actually matter. Here's what I want you to do. If you're on a paid Claude plan already, download the desktop app today and try Cowork on one small task. Just one. Organize a folder, summarize some notes, see what happens. Drop a comment and tell me, what's the first task you would give Claude Cowork? I read every single one. Share this video with someone who spends too much time on boring computer tasks. This might be exactly what they need. Subscribe for more. Every week I break down AI tools in plain English. No jargon, no fluff, just the real stuff. I'm Mario. This is AI by Mario. Let Claude do the boring work. See you in the next one.